Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about this Deliam.cc platform. So this is a crypto cloud mining platform where you earn free cryptocurrencies without investing your money. So all you need to do is to activate the free miner, and it will start running even without the use of your internet. So how does this platform work? So it's just a simple way to earn cryptocurrencies by joining the queue of millions of people mining on this platform. But recently, after I got to the minimum withdrawal, so I have tried making withdrawal on this platform, which I'm going to show you right now. So let me quickly log into my account because I already have an account with this platform. So let me just quickly do that right now so that you will know if this platform is legit, if it truly worth our time, or we should simply abort it. So guys, stay with me. Let me show you how everything works here. So now, right now I am on my screen, as you can see, and you can come to this mining section and click here to see if I actually have a miner running. So currently I have earned 5 USDT additional. This is my second mining stage, so I'll be showing you how I've been able to place a withdrawal on this platform. So, and I unfortunately I didn't receive. This is actually the cryptocurrency that I'm mining on this platform, and the minimum of this cryptocurrency that you can actually withdraw is 0.3 dash coin, which is equivalent to $14. So now let me just quickly review the history section to see if the withdrawal I made actually entered. So I didn't deposit money because I didn't actually want to risk any coins on this platform. So because it was stated to be a free mining platform, I decided to work on the free mode. So let me just quickly go to the withdrawal section and know if something actually went through. So as you can see, I copied my address from Trust Wallet, so I pasted it and made a withdrawal on the 4th of this month. This is 4th of January 2023. So I actually made withdrawal of 0.3 dash coin, so, and into my Trust Wallet, but this withdrawal didn't arrive. So guys, this platform is not paying. So this platform is not paying even if you mine up to 100 USDT for free. I don't think this platform is legit, so it's just a platform to stay away from because they are not paying. It's completely a waste of time, guys. So you can actually check out for other opportunities that I've tested on the description section, so you can be able to tap into those ones and make money online. So I will also make other videos on cloud mining platform that have been paying for long, and you can get registered and start mining, though some of them takes time, but you can literally make your free withdrawal without even investing your money. So I'll be dropping many links in the description of this video. So if you are interested in making money online, check out on those links and find the one that you can preferably join and start making money online. So you can also check out my other videos on investment aspects of some proven platforms that have made tons of withdrawals, and you can literally make money online using them. So guys, stay away from this platform. They are not actually paying anything to their users, so it's just a complete waste of time. So no need of mining cryptocurrency when you cannot be able to withdraw from the platform. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, guys, so that others can get to know about this and stop wasting their precious time mining on this free cloud platform. So guys, thank you. See you in my next video.